Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, June 22. Number portability for all Jamaicans is now in effect. It means consumers are now able to switch from one telecommunications network to another and retain their original numbers. Number portability is available for both mobile and fixed line services, and the first port became possible at 9 o'clock this morning. Science and Technology Minister Philip Paulwell has expressed relief and satisfaction at the long-awaited development. He says that like all new systems of this magnitude, there may be minor glitches, but says he expects any issue to be quickly addressed with minimal inconvenience to consumers. Under the Telecommunications Act, Number Portability Rules 2014, providers cannot charge subscribers who wish to switch from one network to another. Wide-scale vector control activities are being carried out in Portmore to get rid of virus-carrying mosquitoes. Acting Mayor of Portmore, Councillor Leon Thomas, says the activities include $12 million in drain cleaning work.
In Waterford, Westchester Division, Gregory Park, Nagued, Greater Portmore, Brayton, all 12 divisions across the length and breadth of Portmore start drain cleaning.
Councillor Thomas gave the update at the recent contract signing for construction of the Helsher Bridge. He said fogging was also being done to control the mosquito population. And with the help of the Ministry of Health, the municipality is implementing a public education campaign to prevent vector-borne diseases. The acting mayor said the municipality was looking to do a much better job in curtailing the Zika virus if it comes to our shores. The Education Ministry will be using a significant portion of its capital budget this year to upgrade high schools that are seen as less preferred institutions for secondary education. Portfolio Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaite says this is in an effort to increase the number of schools to which parents feel confident sending their children. While speaking on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program this Sunday, he encouraged parents not to select schools for their children based on traditional prejudices. He pointed to specific non-traditional high schools in different parishes that are doing well.
Take South St. Andrew, for example. Traditionally, the two high schools there have not been highly regarded, Charlie Smith and Trenchtown. Sure. And under the aegis of the Member of Parliament and a cohort of educators, what we're doing is strengthening Charlie Smith to become a center of excellence in secondary education, adding facilities, upgrading teachers, leadership, etc., while Trenchtown, the present Trenchtown High will be used as a tertiary institution, which I think is going to help the community also.
4 pieces of legislation will be amended this legislative year to better protect the intellectual property of Jamaicans. The Copyright Act has already been passed by the House of Representatives and is now before the Senate. It seeks to expand the period of protection for a creative piece of work after the owner's death from 50 to 95 years.
We're bringing the Trademark Acts and we're bringing as well the Madrid Protocol and the Patent Act. All of those will frame out the intellectual property space.
The Industry Minister was speaking at the recent launch of the inaugural Jamaica Film Festival. Jamaica Promotions Corporation is staging the festival from July 7 to 11. About 40 films will be screened at various locations across the corporate area. Phase 2 of the National Export Strategy will be launched on June 30. It's expected to further boost Jamaica's competitiveness in the global marketplace. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce Anthony Hilton says Phase 2 of the export strategy will focus on fewer, more precise and impactful initiatives for the priority sectors. Food export is a major priority.
The objective is to have Jamaican food safety systems deemed comparable to that of the US and other major markets to ensure ease of access for our exporters.
Development of the export strategy is being led by Jamaica Promotions Corporation. June is being observed as National Exporters Month under the theme Achieving Economic Growth Through Excellence in Exports. And finally, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is urging Jamaicans to break their silence on child abuse.
I want to send a message loud and clear to all Jamaicans. Don't cover up child abuse, whether it is happening in your family, or your neighbors, or in your community.
The Prime Minister was speaking at a Unite for Change conference on Friday.
I encourage all of us to continue to work at building a Jamaica that is safe, peaceful, and prosperous. A Jamaica that cares for and protects its children.
The conference was held under the theme, Do the Right Thing, Volunteer to Protect Our Children. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.